What did you say? What did you say? Can you repeat that sentence for me?
You are saying that you are going to open institute in future
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
So
yeah.
what will you provide and how will you help
Actually,
to beginners?
I'll provide good education of learning English, and there would be good environment where English learner can speak English without any fearness, without
Mhm.
any get afraid.
Yes, yes. So how long have you
Without
been learning English?
I have been learning this Samraji language for last 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
Last
Six
6 months I
months.
have learning language. Yeah, for last 6 months, and
Okay.
I have
So
and and I'm trying to my best level to speak in English, and because I want to take my speaking skill to the best level.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So how are you improve your English?
But how are you? How
Improving
did
your
I
English.
how did I
Mm-hmm.
improve my English, or how do I improve my English?
Yes. Tell me,
Can you
please.
hear me?
Yes, I
Actually,
can hear you.
bro, I always follow LSRW. L for listening,
Mm-hmm.
and S for speaking, and R for reading, and last one is W for writing. The
Maybe I think
the yeah,
I listened this dialogue. I think career
my carry
doctor.
doctor,
You know,
my
my
carry
career
doctor.
doctor.
Actually,
Yes, yes,
it is the old dialect. It's not dialect. It is a real fact. It is a real
yes,
fact.
yes.
It is a real fact.
So
It's not dialogue. Yeah.
actually, I listened.
Do you know this point? If every good speakers always suggests these rules, because these four
Mm-hmm.
rules are essential elements. There are
Mm-hmm.
four essential elements: speaking, listening, writing, reading. The person who follows these rules, that person so easily can learn any language with the help of these rules.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are you following? Like listening, speaking, writing,
I
mostly
I always mostly I always follow almost four.
four.
Yeah.
Okay. I think the most important thing is speaking and listening.
No. There is two elements
No,
most out of four.
actually, already. No,
First is
actually,
listening.
already.
First is listening. Listen to
I
me.
know,
First
I know.
first
But
is
please let me complete my point. Already, we have been learning like writing and reading in schools. So I think we
but
must
but
focus on.
there is a most important elements of L, listening, and
Hmm.
second is speaking. When you child, that moment you are only listening, and after
Mhm.
listening you try to copy all those sentences, and right after that you had learned your mother tongue. With the help of
Yeah,
listening, you can learn any language, any language.
yeah, but actually, the problem is only my problem is only speaking. I can write, I can read, I can also listen, but there is only one problem that is speaking.
Yeah, actually, there is a big fact. When you try to speak English language, that moment you try to think in your native language, and after that you try to
Yes.
translate again. Then you speak.
Yeah,
That's the
I
biggest.
used to it, but nowadays I'm not doing it.
That's the biggest reason every English learner have to face this problem. When I started to learn
Yes.
English initially, that moment I also follow these rules.
So
Right
it means,
now I have removed this. I have removed.
okay, so it means that we must think in English only.
Right. So tell me one thing. How can you think in English? It is possible. It's not possible.
It is not, it's possible, I think. I can think in
No,
English because right now I'm not thinking in Hindi. I'm thinking in English only.
actually you are not thinking in English. Actually, your mind is working as a English learner. Suppose that
Yes.
when you go to bed and suppose that you are dreaming. Actually, you
Hmm.
that moment you don't dream like a native speaker in English language. You dream like a mother tongue in your mother language.
Hmm.
What is your mother language?
My mother
Hindi.
language is Hindi.
Hindi. And which language have you learned first?
First,
What is your first
my
language?
own language. My own
Yeah,
language.
Hindi.
Not
So,
Hindi. It's Dundadi.
Donadi. Okay, Donadi, and
Yeah. And
including
my
all speak
second
speak.
language is Hindi.
Okay, including all your points, you can speak three languages right now.
Mm-hmm.
Am I right?
Yes, I
I'm
can.
also I'm also can speak three languages. My first language is Bhojpuri, and second language is Hindi, and third one is English. And right now I'm learning English.
Okay. So please say
Yeah,
something in
first
Bhojpuri.
Bhojpuri. Actually,
Yeah.
first language I heard learned Bhojpuri language in my villages. Bhojpuri
So
language
please
used. What did you say?
say something. Say something in Bhojpuri. I want to
I
listen.
can't. I can't say Bhojpuri language.
Why?
Actually,
Suppose, please translate this sentence like my name is Jitendra. So please translate in Bhojpuri.
sorry. Actually, when I speak Bhojpuri language, that moment I feel shyness. Also,
No,
it is my first language. I,
no, but it's your own language. Then why do you feel shy? Mhm.
बाबू इधर है
Because
ना?
you are not.
What did you say? I'm sorry for
Hello.
that. I can't. What did you say? Actually,
Yeah. Please say. If you don't want to speak, then no problem. It's okay. Hello.
yes, I can hear you. You can ask me anything. I'll try to my best level to tell you.
Yeah, I was asking only your language.
My Bhojpuri language.
Hmm.
Maybe you have knowledge about Bhojpuri language and you
No,
have
I don't have
listened.
knowledge about Bhojpuri. No, I have no knowledge.
Okay,
Could you
let
please
me
say
speak one
something?
sentence. Okay, let me
Yeah,
speak.
please.
क्या कर
Yeah,
क्या कर पाता हूँ?
I think it means what are doing.
This is a Bhojpuri language. You have translate this sentence in your native in your
I
English
just
language.
I just only realized that maybe I think it means like what are doing.
Okay. So what
Yes.
do you do? You didn't tell me about your education qualification.
Yeah, I have done my MA from Hindi literature and I'm a student and I am making videos on YouTube in free time. And also I give tuitions at home. And before lockdown, I used to teach in schools. So nowadays, I'm staying at my home and I'm just improving my English. And I want
That's
to
good.
open, yeah, and I want to
That's
open my
cool.
small institute in my area. So maybe I think I will do it in my future time. So, but just I have to learn English and improve my English.
But you're speaking very well.
Yeah, as you can see,
And
that is my board. Maybe I think you can see the board is where is the board? Wait.
I can't say.
Just wait. Maybe I think it's poor connection. That's why.
Yeah, there is a poor connection.
Yeah. That is my
Yeah,
board.
yeah,
I teach
yeah,
here.
yeah.
I teach here.
That's really cool. That's really cool.
Yeah,
So,
I teach here.
do you use Cambly app?
No, I don't use Cambly because it's very expensive.
Yeah, it's very
That's
expensive, but it's very expensive, but it is the one of the most amazing app.
yeah, I know, but I can't use because of money problem. That's why.
Actually, one day I was planning about to purchase Cambly app,
Mhm.
but that moment it seemed to me too expensive. That's the reason I didn't purchase it.
Okay. And do you know, so right now I'm teaching my students. I have only 2 or 3 students right now. So what do I teach first? First
What
of
did
all,
you
I
teach?
ask about, yeah, first of all, I ask my student that what
Introduce.
problem you have. No, no, not introduce. I first of all I asked that what problem you have in English. Then they said I have problem like vowels, consonants, and Hindi vowels, Hindi consonants, numbers. So first of all I ask about this, and then after if they have problem in grammar, so first of all I teach verbs. First verb.
That's good.
Yeah.
So do you
So
know? Do you know about causative verb?
sorry,
Causative verbs.
causative verbs.
Yeah, I'm talking about causative verbs. Do you know about this grammar rules?
It's like verbs, na?
Yeah, it's like verbs. Actually,
There are, I think.
with the help of
Yeah, yeah.
causative verb, you can speak 75%. Not 75, 50% English you can speak. If you don't have knowledge
Mm-hmm.
about causative verb, you cannot speak like a native speaker.
Mm-hmm.
During the speak in English, some sentence
So,
would be wrong. Some sentence would be wrong.
so
And active voice and passive voice is also important. With the help of
yes,
positive
yes.
or with the help of passive voice, we can speak 75% English, and
Mm-hmm.
rest of all 25% English. We, we will have to learn in
Mm-hmm.
whole life. Yeah.
So, for
Suppose
the
that
example, can you give me?
okay, let me tell you. Suppose that I have come in your home, and that moment तुम चाय बना रहे हो. Okay, you are making a tea, and I ask, what are you doing? And you say, you will have to say, चाय बन रही है. How will you say this sentence in your in English language?
चाय बन रही है.
Yeah, चाय बन रही है.
Tea is making.
No, it's not. There is wrong. You say subject is making, but subject is not making. Subject is making itself. Am I right?
Making.
Think about it. Yeah, the what you sentence you said, that would be meaning
Mm-hmm.
चाय बना रहा है. Not चाय बन रही है, चाय बना रहा है. But you will have to say, you need to say चाय बन रही है. How will you say this sentence? With the help
Mm-hmm.
of passive voice, you can translate this sentence in English language. You can make like kind of this sentence
Like
in English
tea is
language,
making by
like this.
tea is making by me. मेरे द्वारा चाय बन रही
No,
है.
no, 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 no. It's always the verb की third form can be used. Verb की third form is always used in passive voice.
Mm-hmm.
you will have to use you will have to use third form, and before using third form you need to use being. Suppose that tea is being tea is
Being
being tea is being
making.
prepared tea is being prepared. Yeah, made. Tea is being made. Tea is being prepared. Like this you can speak.
Tea is being prepared.
Being prepared.
Mm-hmm.
After using being, you will have to use verbs third form.
Prepared. Yeah, that is third form. Prepared.
Prepared.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
being is helping verb.
Yeah. Being is the helping verb of continuous sentence in passive voice.
Mm-hmm. That's very interesting information for me. Thank you so
There,
much.
when you read any kind of subject in English language, that moment there is a lot of words sentence in passive
Mm.
voice. In
Yes.
passive voice.
Yeah, we use in
Suppose
conversation mostly.
yeah. Suppose that after you are recording this video,
No,
you are
I'm not
recording this.
recording.
You are not recording. Okay. Suppose that you are recording this video. Okay, and after conversation, I'll ask you, did you record video? That moment you say yes, video record हो चुका है. How will you say this sentence in English language?
वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो
Video
चुका
record
है.
हो Yeah, video record हो चुका है.
So I think it's tense, present perfect.
It's present perfect tense, but it is a passive voice.
Passive voice. वीडियो
There
रिकॉर्ड
is
हो
a
चुका है.
there is a no subject in the sentence.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Maybe I
there is
think
a
we will use word third form and
you will have to.
and I think according to me, video has made
Not
and recorded.
it, it's almost correct, but not exactly correct. So,
Video.
would you like to know? Can I speak?
Yeah, sure, please.
Okay, let me tell. Video has been
Mhm.
recorded. Recorded. Video has been
Has
recorded.
been.
Yeah.
Mhm. Video has
Do
been
you know?
recorded.
Recorded.
Mhm.
With the help of passive voice, you can speak 50% English, and with the help of
50%.
causative verb and active and passive voice, you can speak 75% English correctly, and
Yeah,
and
I wrote. Yeah.
rest of 25% English you will have to learn in your whole life.
Okay. Actually, I wrote these rules in my notebook, but I didn't use these kind of rules. But I
Because
have written.
because I always use this kind of word, this kind of sentence.
You always use.
Yeah, I
Okay.
always use
Yeah, definitely. I will also use these words.
because you can think tea is can't make itself. चाय खुद नहीं बन सकती. चाय तो
Mm-hmm.
किसी के द्वारा बनाई जा रही है ना.
Mm.
चाय तो किसी के द्वारा बना जा रही है. चाय खुद नहीं बन सकती.
And so,
That's the reason we
okay.
will have to use passive voice.
Okay. So, do you have any structure of these rules? Active, passive
Yeah,
voice.
I don't have
So, could
any
you?
kind of skills, but I can tell you.
Mm-hmm.
But I can tell you. And if you want to gain knowledge about it, you should check about passive voice on YouTube. There is a lot of videos which are which are made about passive voice.
Okay. Definitely, I will search it. Okay, bro. So, thank you so much, and nice talk to you. And definitely, I will search on Google, on WhatsApp. I mean to say on YouTube. So, thank you so much for
Yeah,
sharing your
you
knowledge.
must thank.
Thank
It
you.
was
Thank you.
great.
Thank.
It was
Yeah.
great conversation with you, and I will looking forward to talk to you again.
Yeah. Sure.
And
Why not?
I'm
Thank you. Mm.
if I did any kind of mistake, I'm sorry for that.
No, 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 no. I think you are not doing any mistake. Maybe I think I have done mistake.
But I'm so proud of you. You're learning English, this amazing language, and you want to become a teacher.
Yes, definitely. Yeah,
I'm
sure.
so
I
proud
will
of
try my
you.
best. Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
And please make sure you watch videos about passive voice.
Definitely, I will watch.
Okay.